All right, I don't know about you, but for me on these problems, I've always got to slow down a little bit, make sure I really read carefully and mark everything I know well. It's easy for me to get in a rush and not get it. So you can always retry the problem. It's going to show you the answers on these when you're done. And the second time, it gives you the exact same numbers in these performance task type of problems. I do like you to have a little practice with these. There's a lot of places out there where they do uh, give you problems in this format. So it's always good to have a little exposure with that. But so here we have Cindy, she's a member of a volunteer group, built the play structure you see there. The first question, she wants to add 3 more trapezoid boards evenly spaced between the bottom and top boards of the triangular frame. So I believe we were talking about this triangular frame here. She wants to add, again, she wants to add evenly spaced 3 more trapezoid uh, boards evenly spaced between the bottom and the top. So I think what we're talking about is putting 3 boards like this in there. Okay. And what will be the average length? So if you know the 12 is here, and you know the 4 is here, how long is this one, how long is this one, and how long is that one? And since they're evenly spaced, you've got that proportional reasoning there. So, you know, this one in the middle right here, halfway between the 4 and the 12, do you remember how that formula went that we did? So remember it was 1/2 of the 4 and the 12 added together is how we came up with, if I called this one X. So what's 1/2 of 4 and 12? 16.5, so that's 8. And then if you just continue that pattern, so what's 1/2 between these two? 1/2 between the 8 plus the 12. So that's going to give you a 10, right? So you've got a 10 in there, and then 1/2 of between the 4 and the 8 on the top one. That's going to give you a 6. And if you look at that, you know, it goes 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So it is increasing at that constant middle rate. And so there's your first step. And I'll let you move on to the next step, but just be slow and methodical. And if nothing else, when you get done, go back and analyze the answers as long as you understand it so that you can see how you would get through them. And just practice it. It takes patience, but you can do it.